Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word pouring, its meaning, definition and the example. Pouring. The definition of pouring is to make a substance flow from a container, especially into another container. The synonyms of pouring are flowing, spouting, emptying, steaming. Now let me show the example of pouring. Word and sentences are: pouring some coffee into a thermos, she headed for the barn again. He stood and carried his coffee cup to the sink, pouring out the remains. The distant roar of water pouring into the canyon caught her attention. Pouring himself a cup of coffee, he lounged against the counter dejectedly. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.